Welcome to DIY Creations. In today's video, we'll show you how to propagate succulents quickly and easily. Whether you are new to gardening or looking to expand your collection, these simple steps will guide you through the process. Start by selecting a healthy succulents. Look for one that's free from pests or diseases. Good choices for beginners include jet plants, eschewerias, and sedums. Use clean, sharp scissors or pruning shears to take your cutting. For leaf propagation, gently twist a leaf from the plant. Make sure it comes off cleanly, leaving no part behind. For stem propagation, cut a healthy stem just below a leaf knot, which is where the leaves attach the stem. Once you have your cuttings, let them dry in a shaded, dry spot for about 2 to 3 days. This waiting period allows the cut ends to form a callus, which helps prevent rot when they are planted. While the cuttings are drying, prepare your planting area. Use a potting mix that's designed for succulents or cacti. This mix allows for good drainage, which is crucial for succulent health. Fill a small pot with the soil and water it lightly. You want the soil to be moist but not soaked. Now it's time to plant your cuttings. For leaf cutting, simply place the leaf on top of the soil. You don't need to bury it. For stem cuttings, insert the stem about 1 to 2 inches into the soil. Press the soil gently around the base of the cutting to hold it in place. After planting, place the pot in a bright spot where it gets indirect light. Direct sunlight can be too harsh for new cuttings. Water the soil lightly again, but be careful not to overwater. Succulents are sensitive to too much moisture, which can cause the cutting to rot. Over the next few weeks, check on your cutting regularly. You may start to see new roots forming and new growth appearing. Be patient, as this process can take some time. That's all there is to it. Propagating succulents is a simple and rewarding way to grow new plants. Thanks for watching DIY Creations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring videos. Happy gardening!